Hi, I'm Catherine from Catherine Learn Stuff. Today I'm going to walk you through how to turn pictures of your animals into stickers using your Cricut. So let's jump in. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to show you how to make a sticker out of your animals, because we all love our pets. And so what I've got here is I'm going to show you on my iPad here how to do this. And it's the same idea for your iPad or your iPhone, but they have this neat feature that if you actually just touch it and hold on to it, you'll notice now that I have this like magical squiggly line coming around it, outlining my animal. And so this is what we're going to use to make the stickers. So we have an option to add this as a sticker so that you can use this in sort of text messages or emails, but we're actually going to select the share button and we're going to save this image to our phone or to our iPad. And that's what we're going to use to import it into Cricut Design Space. So I've got another picture here. I'm going to grab this guy and I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to save image and I'm going to grab this guy here, if it lets me, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to save the image. And now if I go to my images, I've got down here, I've just got the outline of my cat, got the outline here, and the outline of the dog. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to open Cricut Design Space and I'm going to go to my canvas and I'm going to upload these to my Cricut Design Space. Oops, not what I wanted. I want to upload from photos. And I'm going to select this guy here and I'm going to apply this. Oops. And I'm going to do just a flat generic picture. And we're going to add this to our canvas. And I'm going to do the same thing for all the cat pictures, and I'm going to make a few more pictures of my dog in there. So we've got a few animals to add into our stickers because we've got to make a few stickers at a time. So now we've got all of our pictures on here, and we're going to, before we do anything, we're going to resize these because these are all rather large and we don't want to be having huge stickers. I mean, you can, but that's going to make some issues with our Cricut. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this, we're going to go edit, and we're going to change the height to, let's say, 2 inches on this guy, and it's going to be almost 3 inches here. I think 2 inches is a pretty good size. We're going to go width of height of 2 inches here as well, and just reduce these all so that they're not like crazy. Okay, so we've got a few stickers here, but what I like to do with stickers, especially like with animal stickers or people stickers, is I like to add an offset because that will help us just give the image a little bit of something to have. And it doesn't need to be a huge offset, but just a little bit so that when we're cutting it out later, it's going to have an offset. We don't need to, we can just do the bleed option, but I'm going to add an offset to all of these guys. When you add an offset, you need to make sure that you select both items and then you select where's my flatten button? Oh, the offset didn't work. You can edit, we're going to add an offset and we're going to select this. Now the offset here is in black. I don't like black offsets. We're going to go to layers because this isn't cooperating. We're going to select this back layer only. And we're going to change the color to white and apply that. So now we've got this sort of this cat and the outline, and I'm going to select both and I'm going to flatten it. And repeat this process for all of my animals here. And we can do this. Now there is a create sticker option if I go into this edit menu, but I don't have the Cricut access subscription, so I just do this by myself by doing an offset with this. But if you have the Cricut, if you have the access, you can make stickers possibly a little bit easier. We just want this one thing, not both. And what I like to do before I send it to cut, I want to just make sure that all of my items are flattened so that I've got everything set up here, and then it is ready to be made. So I'm going to select my make it button. I'm not going to save this. I'll save it later if I want to. I'm going to quickly see how it looks. So I've got some space here to add this guy over here. So we're going to move him over because I don't want to waste paper. Now, if you want to, I have a hack for this, how to maximize our space. So you can, I've left a link for that below in the video details, but we've got a little bit of space here so we could fit in another sticker or two. Let me just see if I can get this guy to move over here. Yeah, we could probably fit in a few more stickers here. So I've added a few more stickers onto this page, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send this off to my printer. So now that I've got my stickers printed, I'm going to quickly put them onto my cutting mat, and I'm going to send them to get cut out. Now I'm using koala sticker paper. I left a link for that below as well. And this is what I'm currently using. I find that it works really well. I have used the Cricut printable vinyl as well, and I find that works pretty well, but for right now I prefer this over the printed vinyl, and I left links for that below as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this into my Cricut. What I want to do quickly here, before I set this to cut, I like to cut this at the cardstock setting, just because I find that this paper cuts through very well at the cardstock setting if you want to have the stickers as individual items. If you want them as a sticker sheet, then I would select the custom materials and then select a washi sheet instead. So we're going to quickly just pull this in, and then we're going to cut this out. And now we've got our stickers ready to go. So I'm just going to peel them off of my mat here. And I can either give these out to friends or family or place them anywhere that I'd like. But it's always nice to have some animal stickers that you can use for your pets, because we all love our pets. And there you have it. We've completed our DIY pet stickers. All these stickers are ready to be peeled and put onto notebooks or wherever we would like. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy crafting!